Okay, hot today. Really hot.
Yeah, a lot different than yesterday.
Yeah,
I could feel that muggy meter.
You could feel it, yeah, and that's really the story as we go into the weekend, but the radar's quiet, so we like that for outdoor plans, and we have a lot of those in the coming days here. So let's take care of business. Yeah, 87, just a couple of degrees where it should be for this time of year. I think we'll get much closer to 90, if not above it tomorrow. I mentioned the radar's quiet here. There's still just the slightest chance maybe something pops up. It'll be just that. In terms of rain over the last 24 hours, you can see a little bit there from Bloomington, Terre Haute, and those heavier streaks to our south and southwest. This is over the last 24 hours. Once again, some streaks of 7 to locally 10 inches of rain. This is the 48-hour rain footprint from Nebraska and Iowa down into the mid-south. We missed those complexes. And boy, the big heat remains to our southwest, and that's where it will stay. This is our focus now too. We're back into air quality alerts because of the mugginess and the heat. We're starting to get some higher levels of ozone at the ground level here. So I wish I had better news on this for right now. Indy's about 101, so that puts us in the unhealthy category here. Well, looks like our camera is in gray. Oh boy, it's just been one of those weeks for me. 87 west wind at 5. Just picture outside some hazy sunshine. If you're heading to Ruoff, here's what you expect for this evening. Government Mule there. Temperatures that will be in the mid 80s at 7 o'clock, 70s, 9, 10. Bus stop tomorrow morning includes a little bit of patchy fog, but overall tomorrow is going to be a similar day to today. And the fact that we're going to have the hazy sun, it's going to be a warm up for us at about almost 90 in the afternoon. There's going to be a little boundary, a weak one up to the north that could trigger a stray shower or thunderstorm, but we are not expecting much coverage for tomorrow. Fever back in action tomorrow night, 7 p.m. tip off if you're heading to that, or maybe you're going to Symphony on the Prairie, Whitney Houston tribute. It will be warm when those gates open with temperatures in the upper 80s. All right, here's the setup as we go into tomorrow. That's that weak front. Better storm chances that we'll talk a little more about coming up at 5:30 on Sunday. Saturday, a mostly dry day, but Sunday we up the odds there to almost likely that we're going to have a round of storms, and possibly some of those could be severe before we cool things back down and get some less humid air by the middle part of next week.